Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix TradingView not working problem in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. With the help of this deal, you are going to get up to 80% off on all of the subscriptions on TradingView. Plus, whichever subscription you are going to purchase, you are going to get 1 month additional. So only 3 days are left. So make sure that you check out the link in the description to grab this deal. Now, if your TradingView is not working in your web browser, what you can do is firstly you need to open your web browser. Then you need to simply open tradingview.com in it. Over here, simply go to the settings of whichever web browser you are using. Over here, when you click on the option of privacy and security, you will see the option of delete browsing data. So here, after clicking on it, you just have to simply uncheck this browsing history and keep on checking this cooking and this site data and the cached image files. Now click on the option of delete data, and it is going to take some time and delete the data from here. Now simply go to the advanced tab and simply just uncheck the browsing history, then uncheck the download history as well. You just have to simply enable the cookies and the cache files over here, and then delete the data from your web browser. After that, you just have to simply refresh your TradingView in your web browser and see if it is working perfectly or not. If the sites load, it is well and good, but if it still freezes, you can just simply close this web browser and you can restart your computer. After that, after restarting, basically simply open your web browser, then launch TradingView in your web browser and see if it is working or not. You can also try switching to the Wi-Fi to the mobile data. Basically, you can just switch the internet connection, because sometimes when the internet connection is not good, you face these types of problems. So make sure that your internet connection is also good. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials as well. Thanks for watching.